Ka lang. Migalab, shout out. Oh, 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 oh. In your eyes. Lalab Jeng, ayan. Migalab, shout out. Good morning, Lalabs. Tamsak sis, ayan, salamat sa patamsak mo, Lalabs. Buksan natin yung ating mayawagang electric fan. Init. Ayan, Lalabs, salamat sa patamsak mo dyan. May live ka mamaya. Madilim. Ang aga mo, Lalab Jeng. Ang aga mong magising. Ay, nasa Hong Kong ka pala. Cooking with Sapia. Ayan. Hello, host. How are you? Lalab Cooking. Migalab, shout out, Lalabs. I am good, Lalab. And how about you? Lalab ninya, Migalab, shout out ninya na kulangga. Welcome, host. Ayan, sininya nagbabaka ng kanyang bahay. Cooking with Sapia. Excuse me. Agom. Jake Leslie, gisingin mo ako ng 8. Matulog na ako. I love you. Hindi na love you to, bye-bye. Mag-sleep ka na. Si Elian, hindi pa pa lang. Tumamalinig itong chupon. 5 scoop mas, number 6. Ano ma? Ako ba buwag panikan na scoop. L3, ayan, may galab siya L3 lalags. Hey everyone, made in Comboran. Morning was big love shout out. My lovely, lovely friend. You miss me and I miss you too, L3. How are you? My life is dark. My workout. Okay, I will, watch your video. Your workout. Kabanuan ka ma? Salamat din po, Mega Love Short watching from Indonesia, made in Comboran. Ayan. Lalab, thank you. Don't forget to like my lives, my friend. My friend, Ganda Supremo, Tamsak. Hey, Gandang Supremo, Lalab, Mega Love, shout out. Lalab, salamat sa iyong patamsak. Ang likot ko dito sa upuan ko. Ayan, 60 million, Mega Love, shout out mga lalabs. 6 million. Nagkape na kayo mga lalabs? Niyan ako lang ga, ayan. Kilala mo ba ako si Sikoy, si Gandang Supremo? Hindi, nakalimutan ko yung sino ba si Gandang Supremo? Go to channel. Parang nakita ko na to yung yung account. Nakalimutan ko lang lalag. Gandang Supremo. Baka si to? Silsari, tama ba? Or si Cernel? Mali ba ako? Si Cernel or si Ayan, 5 million Mega Love shout out. Gandang Supremo. Pero kilala mo si Margaret Mix. Oo! Madam, opo! Si Margaret Mix Vlog. Sa'yo pala tong account na to. Kumusta ka na? Si Margaret Mix Vlog. Ang likot ko sa upuan ko. parang nasilihan. Ayan, 5 million. Big love shout out. Mga lalabs. Madam Margaret, kumusta ka na, madam? Sa buong Pilipinas. Kami ni Marga nag-ayuda sa iyo last Sunday. Oo. Kaya ata yun eh. Kay Sir Nel ba yun ako pumasok? Sa dami kasi ng pinapasukan, nakakalimutan na. Salamat, madam. Salamat po dun sa pag-ayuda mo. Binatayan kay Silsari, tama ba? Salamat, madam, sa ayuda. Hindi ako si Margaret, ako yun si kuhos niya. Oo, sa taas. Salamat po, salamat. Mag-live ba yun siya? Ito main ko, tingnan natin. Supremo, BGB1. Ay, oo. Kay Silsari yan. Kasamaan ka ni Madam Silsari. Ikaw yung inaano niya nakaraan. Isang araw, yung, ano ba yun? Yung, piniplex niya yung, ano mo, account. Opo, kay Silsari yan. Kasamahan ka nila, di ba? Kagrupo ka. Salamat po. Kamsakan natin yung ano mo. Meron kasing sakit si Hos, makakalimutin. Makakalimutin ako. Kamsakan po natin yan. Live mo ba yon kay ano, Supremo? 8:45. Ay, malapit ka na palang mag-live. Nakanta ka ba, host? Ano? Supremo BGB1? Kamsakan natin. Dati man pa akong dikit sa main mo. 8 ano pala yung live mo? Kalimbang ko nga to. Sir Supremo, 8 pala yung live mo. Yes, mamaya-maya pa pala. After 1 hour. Malaki rin pala yung bahay mo na 16K. Pasyal ka sa atayudan kita uli. Sige po, magpasyal po ako. Ano lang ako hanggang 9. Punta ako sa'yo. Hindi naman ako matagal mag-live kasi meron pa akong baby. Inaano ko lang yung ano ko, yung channel ko para tagal ko kasi siyang di na ano, nasikaso. Mamaya po, hanggang ano lang naman yung live ko, hanggang 9 lang naman yan eh. Baka naka-live ka pa yan. Ang oras ka po ba natapos? Mamaya pupunta po ako. Nakalimbang ko naman yung ano mo, magmo-monetize. Mag-notify naman po yan. Punta po ako mamaya. Makatapos ng live ko po. Saglit lang naman ako mag-live. Two hours lang live ko. 8, 9, 10. Oh. Hanggang 10 ka pa naman po eh. Makakapunta pa ako dyan. Saglit lang naman ako mag-live. 8 pa naman yung start mo. Tingnan natin. Oh. 8:45. 8, 9:45. Oh, mag-out ka pa ng 10:45. Oh. Maaga pa. No. Di pa. Wait lang po at kukuha lang po ako ng kape. Mga lalabit lang po. Magtimpla lang si host. Di pa tayo nagkape. Yes, madam. James Vlog. Nagtimpla lang si Os ng kape. Yan, nag-welding na. Nag-start ng mag-welding. Panira ng live. Ayan, nag-blink. Baka mawala na naman tayo nito sa ere. Madam Ara. Madam Ara and Eros Vlog, madam. Yung panirang welding. Nag-start na naman. Baka mamaya bigla na naman mawalan ng sound, bigla na naman mag-blink, bigla na naman mag-loading. Kaga kasi ng welding dito. Kapitbahay. Sir James Vlog, Miguelab shoutout po. Disilin Madam Bulay Vlogs, Harang Lods. Miguelab shoutout sa lahat Yahoo, madam. Nagtimpla ko ng kape. Ay hindi. Nag-init pala ako ng tubig. Nilagay ko yung gatas doon sa baso. Paglagay ko ng mainit, nag-crack yung baso. Nabasag yung baso. Sayang nung isang gatas. Sayang nung Birds Tree. Sir James. Natagalan tuloy ako. Nag-init ako uli. Nagbiyak yung baso. Inom tayo mga lalab ng gatas. Oy, marhay na aga, Aileen. Sinsya na nawala ako net kahapon. Okay lang yan, lalab. Talagang normal talaga yan. Minsan bigla ka na lang nawawala sa ere. Kasi minsan nagka-problema yung internet. Ay, naku. Ang problema, ang tabang naman nitong gatas. Nag-welding mga lalab, nagbi-blink. Patayin ko lang yung ref namin mga lalab kasi baka biglang sumabog. Diyos ko, Panginoon, bless my life na wag sana akong mawala sa ere. Kasi nagwi-wielding. Oh. Ayan, salamat po sa 7 million. Sir James, salamat po Sir James. Ay. Di ako nagpunta ng live mo kagabi kasi natulog ako ng maaga. Ayan, 8 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Madam Ara, sino pa ba yung hindi ko na shout out? Things to remember, mega love shout out lalabs. Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot si host. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko, makisama ka po. Adrian Kabatayan. Ayan, si Adrian pala. Lalab Adrian, mega love shout out lalabs. Patapos sa upcoming premiere. Sige lalabs, ano natin yan. Ayan, 6 million mega love shout out. Si hindi ko pala nakikita. Si Adrian Lalabs, ayan. Meron ka na po lalab jacket. Sa'yo ba to dyan, Paul? Meron kang premiere. Ayan, 6 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Patamsak pa ako sa premiere mga lalab, patamsak. Tamsakan natin yung lalab. Ang ano ng araw, biglang parang dumilim. Kay Lola yan, taga-Albay. Kay Lola. Napakasipag mo talaga lalabs. Tamsakan natin. Ang dami mong Lola. Lola Lacuachera. Ang galing naman ni Lola, nag-YouTube pa. Ayan lalab kay Lola tamsak na. Lola Lacuachera. 4.76K. Bear garden on rooftop of department store. Wow. Naka-rooftop si Madam. 6 million mega love shout out. Ay, lubat manambot. Lubat manambot man. Chududududududududududu. Saan yung isang charger? Nasa Japan yan, Aileen. Nasa Japan si Madam. Sana all nasa Japan. Maraming pera. Nasa Japan pala si Madam. Marami yan, ano ba yun? Lapad. Maraming lapad. Pretty Sisi. Miguel Aglatos. Ayan, at sa lahat. Ba't ayaw mag-charge? Ayan, 6 million Miguel Aglatos. Ito tayo mga lalab ng ano. Parang dumilim, no? Bakit dumilim? Sobra kasing mano yung araw. Sarado ko nga yung bintana. Dumilim naman. Kailangan bubuksan. La 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 la. Yan tayo mga lalabs. Nagkape na kayo? Nasobran naman to ng tubig. Sobrang tabang naman. Nasa Bicol ka ngayon, Aileen. Oo, nasa Bicol. Ba't nasa Bicol ka rin ba dyan, Paul? Punta ka dito sa bahay. Tabang naman ng gatas na to. Cooking with Sophia Lalabs. Ayan mga lalabs, oh. Pita. Feta, baka naman. Kain tayo mga lalabo. Pop. Kain tayo mga lalabs. Dito lang ako sa Nabua. Sa Nabua ka pala. Diyan ka ba nakatira, lalabs? Kain tayo. Malakas lalab yung hangin sa labas. Takuluko, mega love shout out. Sabi niya, Ailenski, if you were asleep and your boyfriend put a banana in your mouth, what would you do? Ay, Shuada. What banana? I don't like banana. I don't eat. I'm allergic with banana. Takuluko. I have allergy of banana. I don't eat. Takuluko. If I eat banana, I become too red. Kain tayo mga lalab. Dito ko nakatira, tatay ko ang taga-Bula. Sino tatay mo rito sa Bula, lalabs? Saan sa Bula? Hello po, Ma'am Ailenski Vlog. Adrian. Kabatian Mix Vlog. Sir Adrian, may love shout out po. Are those Dorian cookies? No, this is fita. You eat fita? If you come here in the Philippines, you will buy this. Fita. Mega love shout out po sa lahat, guys. O, kain tayo. This one is biscuit. Oh, lumipad na yung kinain ko, nakakahiya. Sabi tayo mga lalab. Ano sabi ni Takuluko? I seen a lot of Muslim people at your store in your video. Yes. Before I was work in United Arab Emirates last year. Takuluko, I was working in United Arab Emirates. At inshallah soon I will go back to UAE. I will work again. Because this time, I have baby, no? I need to take care of my baby. After my baby 1 year old, I will go back to UAE. Yes, Takuluko, I love UAE because UAE is a number one. I love that country. Are you Muslim? Yes, because I already changed my religion. I converted already. Baguladyo, La Victoria, Inuyunan, Amurahon, dyan ang angkan ng mga kaya. Oo, may teacher nga ako nun eh, si Ma'am Kaya, taga-pabrika. Dati. Excuse me. Ayan. Oo, lalabs. Meron ngang teacher. Ano dyan po, si teacher, si Ma'am Kaya, mabait yun si Ma'am Kaya. Iwan kung buhay pa siya ngayon. Wear your hijab then. Before I was putting there, no? But here in the Philippines, I didn't put. OMG, Daddy Asis Lala, biglag shout out. Before Takulo ko, I putting hijab. When I go work, I put hijab. But here in the Philippines, no, I didn't put. Because here in the Philippines, it's very hot. Even outside, inside, it's hot. But in the UAE, if you wear hijab everywhere, there's a lot of easy, no? And I will not stay outside. But here, you know, here in the Philippines, there's a lot of bashers. If you wear that kind of hijab, maybe people will tell you something. Why this lady always putting hijab? It's very hot. Maybe she's crazy. You know, here in the Philippines, it's not good to wear that one. Too much bashers here. Number one in the Philippines, bashers. Ayan. You using filter po? No, I'm not using filter. Why I will use? This is my normal face. What kind of filter Daddy has is no filter. This is my original face. Then why you so pretty sana all? Thank you, Daddy Asis. You're joking to me. Ha? I feel shy now. Maybe I will hide. Aileen, ipalit mo na kay Adrian Ipin. Ayan. Adrian. Sige na, lalags. Sobrang daldal ko kasi. Lalab, Adrian. Tamsak dan. Lalab, salamat sa iyong patamsak, lalab. Ay. Nagkape na kayo, mga lalabs? Sige, lalabs, ano? Adrian Mix Vlog, meron ka lalab, ano? Patusok, ayan. Adrian, tusukin natin yan, lalab. On the way to premiere, ayan. In 2 hours, Adrian, lalab, tamsak na lalabs. $4 million. Ayan, tamsak, no, charot po, I'm Hannes. Sige, lalab, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you po, Mamos. 100 tamsak dan to pin. Ayan. Oh, wow, mashallah. 100 tamsak. Give to me also tamsak, 100 tamsak. Ayan. 20. 20, my friend. How are you? You have no moderator, my friend. I'm gonna take my water, mga lalab. 1 minute. Magandang dilag. Ayan. Karding di magiba ka vlog. Magluto muna, Aileen. Sige na Lala, magluto ka na at umaga na. You need to cook your breakfast before you do everything. 7 million, Miguel, shout out 7 million. Karding di magiba ka vlog. Lala, Miguel, shout out 7 million. Lala, patamsak pa ako sa nakapin kay Adrian Kabatian Mix Vlog. Patamsak mga lalab, patamsak po nakapin. Ailenski, if monkey convert to Islam, will you marry him? No, I will not marry with a monkey. Why I should to marry with a monkey? Monkey is an animal. I'm a human. How we will be together? Monkey is an animal and human being is not same, no? Takuluko. And you will do? You will marry also with a monkey, Takuluko? Shuada. Monkey is an animal. PMG, why ask that? Ask him, Daddy Ashish. Because Takuluko baby until now, he's not eating, food. Ay. You see him at zoo? Yes. Thomas there. Zoo. If you go zoo, there's a lot of monkey. Monkey your friend. Oh my God, why you're asking like that? Pangalawang Takuluko, are you brainless? Will you marry a monkey? Adrian, lalab, tamsak, lalab, tamsak. Tamsak na lalab, ha? This one, Takuluko, they said is from, Mexico. No, I will not marry monkeys. So, we're same answer, no? How to marry with an animal? Monkey is an animal. I'm a human being. I'm a human. Alasotso na pala. Patamsak lang po mag-iwala ng bakas masuklian from Pretty CC. Ayan. Si Ed Skarky ata to. Ayan, 6 million. Miguel Love, shout out 6 million. Monkey look human. Yeah, it's look human but it's different. Takuluku. Yeah, si Ed Skarky pala to. Nung nag-welding, nag-iba yung kulay ng natin, parang dumilim. Para lumiwanag ang buhay. Saan ko yung bintana? Ayan, 8 million, Miguel Abshat. Please don't be disrespectful. Ayan. Monkey look human. Leave it. It's okay, Daddy Ashish. He's only talking like that. $7 million, 12 thumbs up. Thank you so much. I love those and respect her. Ayan, thank you so much, Lalab, Daddy Ashish. Thank you. Thank you po, Sir Takuluku. Takuluku is a friendly guy. Maybe Takuluku, he felt bored today. Takuluku, did you take your, medicine? Did you eat, Takuluku? Inom yan mga lalab ng kape. I'm not happy with that, what he asked. I feel offended. Takuluku, you still here? He's like that lalab everywhere he visit, other live. I saw him there in Ara and Elos vlog. Main mo po ba yan, Sir Takuluku? Wala siyang, yan yung pinaka niya. Wala siyang channel, mga lalab. Yan yung pinaka-channel niya. Ganyan talaga siya, mga lalabs. Did you work in UAE airplane? No. I work there in the UAE as what call of this? Front desk. I assist some customer. Patamsak lang from Pretty Sisi. Ayan, tamsakan natin si Pretty Sisi, mga lalab. Patamsak po ako na kapin, mga lalabs. Adrian Kabatian, next vlog sa kanyang premier Daddy Ashis. Ayan. Wait lang, Wait lang, Kasi Papa, pa. Is Philippines poorer than UAE? UAE is more rich. Yeah, I know. UAE is rich country. Mostly people there, the local people, they are not working. They are waiting for the ayuda from government. Ayuda, you know ayuda? Every month people there, they are receiving money, no? Every month. The government there, they are supporting the people. Their people. Not here in the Philippines. Why ask host what happened to Google? What happened to Google, lalabs? What happened to Google? I'm leaving. Daddy Ashish, okay, lalab, no problem. Take care, lalab. Thank you for visiting me, okay? Take care always and God bless. Patamsak lang po si Pretty Shishi. Ayan. Nagtamsak ka ba, lalab, sa kapin? Are there a lot of Filipinos in UAE? Yes, if you go there, there's a lot. Everywhere, there's a lot of people, no? Takuluku, even there in Mexico. I think there's a Filipino there also, sa? There's a lot of Filipino in UAE. Because UAE is an open country. Adrian, ayan. Thank you, Lalab. May pa-flowers. Finish. What? There's no Filipinos in Mexico. They got caught eating dog there. What? People, they are eating dog. Yes, here in the Philippines, some people here, they are eating dog. But this here is not good to eat. You know, Duterte, they will put there in the jail. There's no Filipino in Mexico. They got caught eating dog there. Why they are eating dog not good? Ano, Lalabs? Ayan, 5 million. Sir Takuluko, dan po sa'yo. Takuluko, connect to ano? Adrian Kabatian on the pin. Lalab, connect to him, Lalabs. The Mexican kicked them out for eating dog. It's not good to eat dog. But me also, I don't eat dog. How come? Dog is like a human being. It's your friend, dog. Very friendly dog, no? Takuloko, are you okay? No. Why not no? My stomach hurts. What you eat? Ayan, salamat po sa 5 million, 11 thumbs up. Leave the LS sick a doctor. If you visit this one Ara and Elos blog, Daddy Assist, this Takuloko, you will see there again. Because they said Takuloko is girlfriend of Ara and Elos blog. Ma'am host, tamsak po. Ayan, Lalab, salamat sa patamsak mo, Lalab. Mga Lalab, patamsak naman pa ako sa nakapin. Ayan, tamsakan po natin si Adrian. Kailan ba yung mo, Premier Lalab? Ay, thank you, God. Drinking beer. It's not good always drinking beer, Takuluko. Drinking beer is not good. Better to drink water. I've been drinking beer every day for 2 weeks straight. Why? Maya po 10 a.m. po, maaga pa. Mamaya pa pala yan. That's why my stomach hurts. Better to, eat noodles. Eat noodles na lang. Ayan, salamat po sa 5 million mga lalag. Do Filipinos get a kick from UAE, Ayula? No. UAE government, they like Filipino, no? They will not kick out the, Filipino there, no? Filipino is a good customer service. Filipino is a friendly people, okay? Takuluku. If you come here in the Philippines, you will see people here is always smiling face. They will help you also. Friendly people is here. Other country they keep there in UAE. Islandski, don't eat my dog. My God. I told you, Takuluk, I didn't eat dog. Which dog you are talking about? Takuluku, better to connect Adrian Kabatian Mixed Vlog. Why not support my Takuluku? Be my member. Takuluku. Support my my channel, my friend. Islandski, are you crazy? No, I'm not crazy. Why I'm crazy? I'm not crazy, no? Suada. If I'm crazy, I'm not here in front of you. They will put me in the mental no if I'm crazy. 4 million big love shout out. Oh, it's raining. It's raining? Yeah, it's raining outside. Madam Virgie, big love shout out po, madam. Hi, host. Madam Virgie, big love. Ay, naulan. Naulan mga lalab. Naulan na. Hi, host. Madam Virgie's vlog. Ayan. Oy, Takulo, connect to Madam Virgie's vlog. Nag-live ka, madam? Ayan, pag binisit ka ni Takulo, kung ano mga pinagsasabi. Like 14 to support from Madam Virgie's vlog. Madam Virgie, salamat po, madam. Ay, naulan. Sana wag mawala yung ating internet. Oh, it's raining now. Hi, all. Oh. Good morning, host. Ayan, Madam Virgie, Miguelab siya. Salamat po, madam. Salamat po. God bless. Takuluko, connect to Virgie's vlog, lalab. Harangdan, salamat po, madam, sa parang mo po. Salamat, salamat. Where are you now, Takuluko? Islandski, the police are looking for you. No. Police is my my friend. Maybe the police is looking for you, not for me. Ha, Takuluko? If they will show you everywhere, maybe they will catch you. Problem for you. You will put in the jail. Takuluko. Because you're loko-loko sa. Why not be a member, Takuluko? Takuluko. Support my channel, lalag. The police are looking for me since 2018. Ah, really? I will report you to police. So that police will know that you are here in my live. If they know you are here, maybe police will catch you. Biglang lumiwanag kanina, madilim. Ngayon lumiwanag. Biglang naulan tapos nawawala. Ayan, 3 million mega love shout out yung aking hair. Nagulo. Nagulo ang ating buhok. Ayan, 3 million mega love shout out, lalas, mga lalabs. Why the police is looking for you, Takuluku? One time I set a car on fire and I ran away through the woods. I never got caught for it. Really? Where? That's why you go there in the Mexico? You are not, Mexican people. What you say? One time I set a car on fire and I ran away through the woods. I never got caught for it. What woods? I am Mexican. Oh, what is this? Why you don't have channel? Ano takuluku? The woods by my house. Okay. Islandsky, are you scared? No, I will not scared to anyone. I'm scared with the God, not to people. Ayan, 5 million. Mega love shout out 5 million. Karding, di magiba ka vlog. Ha, ha, ha. Natawa tuloy siya. Nabuang na karding lalads, oy. Takuluko, Islandsky, if I went to your house, what would you do? You will come here? Come here, no problem. I will cook a lot of foods. Then I will tell that you eat all. I will cook a lot of foods. Nothing, why? You're welcome here, Takuluko. Kahit hindi mag-iba, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin natin mga lalag. Bigla na namang dumilim. Ayun, lablabin natin si Karding mga lalags. Si inaano ba kita? Vlogger na karma. Bakit? Inatake sa puso. My friend said he will break into your house when you aren't there. Really? No problem. Tell to your friend to come here. Then brings a lot of chocolates, no, because you are from other country, so if you will come here in my house, you should to bring this one. Pasalubong from your country, lots of chocolates. Bring chocolates, Takuluko. Tell to your friend. You will shoot him. Okay, no problem, I will shoot him. I have, gun here, gun. Nabuang na. Takuluko? Better to share my live to your friend. Takuluko? Where is your friend? Your friend, there's a, channel? If there are a lot of poor people in Philippines? No, not all people here is poor, no? Some only, not all. Everywhere there's poor people. Not only in the Philippines. Other country also. Ayan, 3 million. Thank you so much. Doon na po kayo nakapin mga lalabs. Sir Buchito, Miguel Lab, shoutout po Sir Buchito. Good morning. Kumusta ka na po Sir Buchito? I love you to Sir Buchito. Kumusta ka na po? Ay, ano mang manok man to? Oh, hay! May pumasok na manok. Hey! Wala ka talaga sa ayos. Tingnan mo yung manok nasa ibabaw ng kama, oh. Panirang manok ka. Ay, nako. I love you too, Sir Buchito. Kumusta ka na po? Sir Buchito. Kumusta ka na, Sir Buchito? Ba't nagpapantal ako? Maganda ka pa rin. Opo, Sir Buchito, siyempre. Bakit naman tayo magpapapangit? Kailangan lagi tayong maganda. Nagka-baby lang ako Sir Buchito. And I'm proud of it. Meron na akong anak. Siya naman talaga yung pinapangarap ko pa noon. Joke lang. Alam mo ba nung nakaraan, Sir Buchito? Nung mga nakaraang linggo, ako yung nagka-allergy. Buong katawan ko parang tsakadal na. Ito, grabing rashes ng mukha ko na namamaga. Sa allergy. Buong katawan. Grabing allergy ko. It's Carty. Ayan, lalab. Miguel Lab, shout out po si Eds Carty nandiyan. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng jacket si Eds Carty. Ang daming channel yan ni Eds Carty. Miguel Lab, shout out lalab. Malaki rin yung ano mo, yung subscriber. Patamsak live ko. Sige po, tamsakan po natin. Naka-live ka ba ngayon? Oh yes, Whatever TV. Ha? Siyempre, ikaw ba si Whatever TV? Binababa mo lang tong link dito sa'yo. Whatever TV? Channel mo yan? Yaon na naman huso nagpapabakal batag. Sino? Nagpapabakal batag. Sino man yan, Sir Butchito, nagpapabakal batag? Nagpapabakal batag. Ayan, si Skarky, naka-live ba siya? Sama-sama na saya ang grupong Timawa sa malamig na ilog ng Tayab. Ang daming account. Si Skarky. Iyo, dai mo pagbaduan yan. Gets ko na. Nanod na, Sir Bruchito. Nanod. Alion ko man yan. Sir James, big love shout out po, Sir James. Your boyfriend told you to convert to Islam? No, that's from my heart. No one tell to me to convert me to Islam. The decision is from my heart. My own decision. No one tell to me to do this, do this, do this. Why you're asking Takuluku? You also, You also Muslim? Takuluku connecto, Sir Bruchito, Takuluku. Takuluku connecto, Sir James GPGP. And connect also to, Sir Bruchito. Sir Bruchito channel. No, I'm not Muslim, but I know Arabic words. You know how to speak Arabic words and also Arabic words. So it means you know how to speak Arabic also. Takuluko. Study Arabic language. Okay. You study Arabic language. Good. If you go in, Middle East, you will understand people there because you know how to speak Arabic, sa? That's why I always say, sa, means yes, yes. And you know, ayan, salamat po sa 5 million in the house, 18 thumbs up. Nag-Islam ka, host? Yes po, Sir Buchito? Yes po, nag-convert po ako. Last 2017. Nag-convert po ako sa Islam. I converted to Islam, mga lalang. Because I found myself there. Opo, Sir Buchito. Meron kasi akong, parang iwan ko, meron kasi akong parang hindi ko nakikita sa Katoliko na nakita ko sa Islam. Kaya hindi ako nakain ng baboy. Elius Abad, RD, Miguelab, shout out. Elius, my friend, Miguelab, shout out. I am not eating pork. Patamsak from Pretty Shishi. Ayan, Elius Lalab. I'm gonna give you likes. You have premiere. 16 hours. I give you thumbs up, Elius. Yan, Ed Skarky. Magbaba ng bahay. Jesus, second tamsak to you, lalabs. Jesus. Meron siyang premier lalab. Ano po, bakit po, Sir Bruchito? Sir Bruchito, pag nagkapera ako, bibili ko ng banana sa'yo. Pero sa ngayon, I don't have money, no? Kasi matagal akong di nag-live. Wala rin akong sahod kay YT. Wala akong sahod kay Lolo kasi matagal akong nagpahinga. Patamsak lang po, nag-iwan lang po ako ng bakas para masuklian. No? Mag-iwan lang po kayo ng bakas kay Pretty Shishi, mga lalabs. Jesus, pangatlong tamsak lalab, third tamsak. Third tamsak, my friend. Jesus, you have this your main channel lalab, 210. Jesus, this one is your channel, 210, still baby. L3 lalab, big love shout out L3. Lalab L3, how are you? Jesus, you're still here, Jesus? This is your main channel, my friend. Outside, there's a strong wind, mga lalab. L3 workout. Ayan si L3. I will connect this one to you, Jesus. Islands, are you creature? No. What are you talking? I'm a human. You also human. We're human same. Jesus. Tomorrow, Takulo could visit to me again na I have premiere tomorrow. May mukbang premiere. What time is it now to your country, Takuluku? Why still awake? Why not go to sleep? Mga lab, pa-connect naman ako L3. I am watching your workout, my friend L3. Nita girl. Ang laki na ng bahay mo, L3. You have ng 10.1k subscribers. Wow. Good. Mahal yung aking short video, mga lalags. Jesus Abadla Labs. That one is your main channel, my friend. 200 something. Think I will check your channel. You have 211. I'll give you 5 banana, Jesus, ha? I'll give you 5. Naantok ako. Madam Silsari, hello, guwapang host. Madam Silsari, good morning po. Madam, good morning, kagising mo lang. Ayan. Jesus lalab, nasa bahay mo ko lalab ho. Inaantok ako, madam. Madam Silsari. Nag-breakfast ka na, madam, oy. Ay ano, Jesus Abad Lalabs. Connect to Silsari TV Lalab if you will visit her on live. Too much people there, you will get a lot of banana. Maka madam ka mamus giatayo. Oy, Jesus, my friend. Connect to Silsari TV Lalab. Later you will go to your her live. Lalabs, too much banana there. You will get a lot of new friends. Madam Damin. Oh. Jesus Lalab. You still there? Trim, gising ko 5 AM sundo ng service kaya tulog ako uli ng 5. Ah, kaya pala. Kaya pala tapos mamaya may live ka. Kailangan mong mag-beauty rest para mamaya maganda ka sa live. Sa live mo. El Jesus. Connect to Silsari, my friend. Gusto ko yung kilay mo, mamhus. Magkilay ka din po, madam. Ilinsky, have you did Haji already? Yes. Ata Kuluko. Connect to Silsari TV Lalabs. Kay Neil naman ay i-live ko, mamhus. Sige po, mamaya pupunta ako. Nanonotify naman ako niyan eh. Kahit late na ako nakakapunta, tapos nakabisit ako, madam, Silsari. Nag-alaga kasi ako ng bata habang, nangingisda. Nag-aalaga ng bata. Sa akin, yan, minsan gusto niya lang siya, dikitan, ayaw niya, dikit sa iba. I like haram with girl. Not good. Si Taku, Madam Silsari, si Takuluko pala, nagpupunta rin to sa'yo? Sa akin yan, minsan, gusto niya lang siya dikitan, ayaw niya dikit sa iba. Kung anong pinagsasabi nito ni Takuluko. Tapos mag-video, tapos mga video niya luma na din, ma'am. Ano ba yung main channel nito ni Takuluko? Yan talaga yung channel niya. Wala naman subscriber. Pero, tingnan natin. Takuluko. 15 subscriber. Takuluko. Oo naman. Ano ka ba? Okay lang. Walang problema. I have 5 girls, Suhada. I have 5 girls phone number I can call right now. Okay, you can call, no problem. Do it whatever you want to do. You have 5 girlfriend, ha? Masya Allah. Ayan, salamat, Madam Silsari po. Hindi si Taco yung isa. Si ano? Okay. Taco, connect to ano, Silsari Lalab. Makulit yan, Madam Silsari, si ano? Si Taco Lu, kung ano mga pinagsasabi. Parang may ano to si Taco Luko. Buang. Saltik. Si ano ba to? Yung sinasabi mo si El Jesus? Pangit kasi sa iba, sa pansin ko lang, Madam Selsari, nagpupunta rin ako sa ibang live. Minsan, ang daming tao ng live nila pero sige lang nila kanta. Parang hindi nila pinapansin yung mga viewers nila, sige nilang nila daldalan dun sa taas. Sige nila daldalan. Hindi man, tapos yung ibang mga viewers nila hindi naman nagdidikit, sige lang baba ng link. Pangit. Sakto na sa akin makipagdaldal sa'yo, Ma'am Hus. Opo, pansin ko lang Madam Silsari, kasi nung isang araw, gabi na tayo, nagpunta ako sa ibang live. Ang daming tao niya. Pero, yung mga tao niya, kasi pag nagpupunta ako sa live, minsan hindi naman ako nakikinig kung ano sinasabi ng host. Kasi ang pakay ko dyan ng isda. Basta, nagdidikit lang ako, ginagamit ko yung main channel ko, dinidikitan ko silang lahat. Parang wala naman nagbabalik sa'yo, tapos hindi sila nagbababa ng link. Hindi na sila nagdidikit. Tapos yung mga host, panay, sige lang kanta. Hindi sila nagdidikit. Sige lang baba. Hindi sila nagdidikit. Minsan kapagod din mag-ayuda. At least, Madam Silsari, dyan sa live mo is marami kang tao. Pero yung mga taong nagpupunta sa'yo, sila, nakikipagdikitan. Kaysa dun sa ibang live, ang dami nga nilang tao, pero hindi sila nakikipagdikitan. Ang gusto lang mangyari nila, sila lang yung dikitan. Pangit naman yun, yung ikaw lang yung didikitan. Dapat, magpalitan kayo, di ba? How much peso and $100? Why, you want to give me $100, Takuluko? Is 5,000 pesos. Oo, ayaw ko ganun, entertain ko views. Oo. Kaya minsan naghintay muna ako kung anong ginagawa, masid muna ako. Pero pag di naman hindi ganong namamansin ang host, lalayasan. Of course, pansinin mo yung viewers mo kasi dyan ka magkakaroon ng views. Alam, daldal ka ng daldal, wala naman nanonood. Di ba? Pangit sa ibang live kasi, yung iba, sige lang baba ng link, baba. Hindi man sila nagdidikit. Vamos from El Jesus Abad. Ayan. Is 5,000 pesos rich? Yes, Takuluko. Why, you want to give me $100? It's good. Takuluko. 7 million, Miguel Love, shout out. 7 million. Mga lalabs, salamat sa 7 million, mga lalabs. Pansin ko lang talaga, promise, Madam Silsari. Pero dyan sa live mo, masya Allah. Diyan sa live mo maganda kasi ang mga tao diyan nagbababa ng link. Pag dinikitan mo sila, nagbabalik. Ako kasi nagdidikit-dikit lang ako, nag-iwan ako ng bakas. Kung balikan mo ko, okay, salamat. Pag hindi, salamat na rin. At least natulungan kitang nadagdagan yung subscriber mo. Opo, magdidikit mga yan, oo. Pangit talaga, dapat marunong sila, oo. How much did that microphone cost? This one? This only, 3,000 pesos. Oh, pangit yung sa ibang live. Hindi naman sila nagdidikit. Tapos yung iba, hindi naman, yung host parang, sige lang, pasok, sige lang, pasok. Oh, nandun na nga sa point na nilalagyan niya ng jacket, pero hindi naman niya pinapansin. Takulo ko, I need $100 also. Why, Takulo ko, you want to give me $100? Wow, you are such a good guy. Takulo ko. I will give now my, ano ba yun? My GCash number. Takuluku, you want to send me $100? Takuluku, because right now, Takuluku, I don't have money. Takuluku, did you hear me? Or you want to send me nice microphone from Mexico? Sapakin natin, mamos, yung iba kasamahan ko doon. Nagbibigay sila ayuda. Oo, maganda yung mga mo, Madam Silsari. Yung mga viewers mo, maganda, nagbabalik, nakikipag-cooperate. Yun. Yung iba hindi. Katulad nung isang gabi naman, may pinuntahan akong live, no? Bakit ganun? Nakablo na ako sa kanya. Bakit tinanggalan niya akong jacket? Tapos tinatry ko lang, sige, naghayahay lang ako. Hanggang saan umalis na lang ako kasi tinanggalan niya ako ng jacket. Bakit niya ako tinanggalan ng jacket? Parang sumama yung loob ko, hindi na ako dun babalik. Ayun. Ayoko na lang sabihin kung anong pangalan ng live niya. Hoy, Takulo ko! Lagi ko naman sinasabi ayaw ko makulit, hingi lang ng hingi ng ayaw tapos sila din magdidikit. Ayun, are there a lot of prostitute in the Philippines? No! Maybe in the Mexico, there's a lot of prostitute. Why you change the topic, Takulo ko? You're asking about $100? $100 is a 5,000 pesos here in the Philippines. But if you give me $100, wala, I'm so happy. Takulo ko, no prostitute here. Maybe in Mexico, there's a lot of prostitute. But here in the Philippines, there's no prostitute. Kung ano-anong naisip ni Takulo ko. Why you like prostitute? Takulo ko? There's no prostitute here, Shohada. In Philippines, they call scandal. Scandal. Scandal this, maybe scandal like, they make, video that call scandal. But the prostitute in, is not same. Kasi nagatas yan. Kaya Aliyah. Pangarawang timpla na yan daw. Good morning. I'm watching from Japan. Ayan, Lalab, 20. How are you, my friend? Salbay yun bubulong mo sa akin, mamos. Lalab, my friend, 20. How are you? Da 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 di di da din dan dan. And Lalab, ILSK, did you sell prostitute in UAE Arab Emirates, men? No, this is not allowed there. Police will catch you. Good morning, Mr. Japanese. Ayan. Galing ata to sa iyo, madam, si 20. Tama, magaling to sa iyo eh. Semester 20. Lalab, Oh. Ayan Mr. 20. Galing ata to sa sayo, madam, si Mr. 20, si Japanese. Japanese. Ayan. Good morning, Celsari. Yes. This 20 Japanese is from Selsari TV. Lalabo. Japanese is a guy. Japanese, my friend. It's raining now. Naulan na, Madam Selsari. Tut, tut, tut. Fuck, ay! Don't say bad. Takuluko. Why you don't like police? Here in the Philippines, there are a lot of police. Even there in Mexico, no? Don't say bad. Takuluko is not good. Lalab, 20 lalab. Watching my friend. My Japanese friend. Ayan, galing pala siya kay Madam Silsari. Si Japanese. Oo, member ko. Oo. Oo, kasi parang dyan ko yan na kadikitan. Si Madam 20. Mabait yan. Si Mr. Japanese. Malaki na rin naman yung bahay niya. Introducing today's shrimp tank. Wow, it's yummy. Japanese tank. I will watch my friend. Your Japanese tank. Yeah. Ayan, lalabs. Japanese. I'm watching my friend. Your Japanese tank. Very nice. This one is a shrimp. Very nice shrimp, no? There's a red. Mr. Japanese is very kind person. Lalab, nice shrimp. But this is not allowed to eat, sa? The shrimp is only for aquarium only. Ang cute ng shrimp niya. Kulay may siya, may pula. Very cute. Watching my friend, Japanese friend. Yan lalabsa, Japanese friend. Full watch lalab. Then watching my friend. Kunik also. I love you. Ayan, salamat po, salamat. Kami nagpa-graduate sa kanya. Kayo pala nagpa-graduate niyan? Bad word is good. No, bad word is not good. Takuluku. It's not good to say bad word, Lala. It's not good. Kaya pala, Madam Silsari. Kayo pala nagpa 1K dyan. Taku, learn to respect. Lalab, watching again, my friend, Japanese. Taku, don't say bad, Lalab. It's not good. Ayan, Lalab, Japanese. Watching again, Lalab. Napaka-cute ng kanyang shrimp. I like the shrimp inside the tank. It's very cute. But this is not allowed to eat, sa? Pumasok na sa school yung baby mo, Madam Selsari. Yung singer mong baby na pumasok na sa school. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan, mga lalabs. La 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 li la 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 la. Takuluko. Better to connect to Japanese guy. Japanese friend, may kulay yung shrimp niya. O nga po, ipin ko nga siya, ang cute. Ang cute ng shrimp niya, madam. Ang cute ng shrimp. May ganyan pala sa ibang bansa na ganyan shrimp. Kulay may para siyang may pula. Pang-aquarium lang ata yan. May ganun pala. Kala ko may shrimp. Yung shrimp kasi sa atin kinakain eh. Yung shrimp niya ang ganda. Bing, 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 bing. Ayan. Andito pa 1 p.m. pasok niya. Malapit lang sa school niya dito sa bahay. Nilalakad niya lang. 1 p.m. pa yung pasok niya. Sa private ko muna siya, maliit pa, wawa naman ilagay sa malayo. Naka-private pala yung anak mo. O kasi parang, mas madaling matuto pag private kasi natututukan. Kaysa doon sa public kasi maraming estudyante. Di ba? Ang daming estudyante sa room. So, hindi niya natutukan lahat. Pag private kasi, kunti lang yung estudyante na yung teacher nakatutok sa mga estudyante niya. Yung baby ko kasi, Madam Sara, 6 months pa lang. Pagkatapos kong mag-live, linis muna ako ng bahay, tapos mag-alaga na. Ang ganda nga ng shrimp niya, oh. Ang ganda ng shrimp. Napakaganda ng shrimp. Colorful. Ang cute. Freshwater shrimp. Tulog pa till now. Sige naman si Sari, mag-sleep ka pa po at maaga pa. Tulog pa yung baby mo. Kala ko marutulog ka uli. O kasi may school siya mamaya, maaga pa. Para mamaya, bibo siya sa school. Bibo yung anak mo kasi kumakanta eh. Ang kulit. Ailinski, if monkey had gun, what would you do? No, this monkey, they're not using gun. How come? Lalab, you're asking to me like this. This monkey, they are not using this kind of ano. Haha, camera, love yun. Nagbukas na ako ng tindahan. Ayan. May tindahan ka pala dyan sa bahay niyo, madam? Anong oras na? Bakit late na yung tindahan mo, binuksan mo? Anong tinda mo dyan, Madam Silsari? Meron ka palang shop dyan sa bahay niyo? Anong tinitinda mo sa store? Camera lover yun. Ang cute nga ng baby mo eh. Kasi kumakanta sana all. Sana paglaki rin ng baby ko, ganyan din kakanta rin siya sa live. Banding siblings. Do you know, ano? Chichuaw, ano? Chihu. What? I can tell. Ano ba to? Chihuchua, ano? Chihuahua? Yeah, the small dog. Chihuahua is small dog. Chihuahua is a small dog, lalabs. Ano, takuluku. Ambot man to sa takuluku ay kung ano mga pinagsasabi. Takuluku, did you eat, lalabs, or no? You're hungry? Sari-sari lang, maliit lang, isang ano, suka lang laman. At least merong itindahan. Mas malapit pa kayo sa school. Ang cute naman ng dog mo, Madam Silsari. Ang dami mo palang aso. Do you know Chihuahua? This one dog. Look at this. Takuluku. This one is small one Chihuahua. See? Small one. Oh. That's Chihuahua. Sari-sari lang, maliit lang. Matulog si Aliyah, ma. You want calls like your video. I wonder why. Timplahan ko muna, bunso ko ng gatas. Gising na. Sige na po, madam. Sige na po. Sikusin mo po yung baby mo. Unahin mo na po yan. Salamat po, madam. Ano ma? Wait lang po mga lalab. Takuloko, just wait. Gusto ma? Oh, dami ko aso. Mukha na dogaws ba? Okay lang yan, Madam Silsari. At least, madami kang alaga, may alaga ka pang ang pusa. Kumpleto nga yung ano mo, yung alaga, meron ka pang pusa. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Where are you now, Takuluku? Meron kami dito aso, isang aso lang, tapos dalawang pusa. Si Maui at si Mingay. By the way, Madam Sinsari, namatay na pala si Mike Enriquez. Patay na pala si Mike Enriquez. May sakit pala yun. Ailinski, did you eat today? Why are you talking crazy? No, what? Yes, I eat already. I still have here, biscuit. You want to eat? Oh. Luma? Aliyah? The oil is from pig. What? Cook is not good. It's haram. No, it's not haram. How come it's haram? What are you talking, Takuluku? This is fita, biscuit. It's a biscuit, Takuluku. Baong ligo yung dog mo, madam mo. Ang cute. Mama nyanyi. Ay, ganda talaga. Nga na yung gusto naman, burumod to na. Mga alas 10 malapit na ma. Ano? I rescue someone snack cookies on your head and cookies break. What will you do? I rescue, where are you? Glasses, can you read? Crazy. Yes, I already read Takuluku. Last Takuluku? Oh, last one. I'm eating lalab. Oscar Lalab, bigyan lang shout out. Oscar Hermoselo. Ay, sorry. I'm eating. I'm eating biscuit. Salamat Lalab, Oscar. May love shout out. What you're eating, Island Skid? Tita. Finish. Biscuit. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, it's yummy, yummy. With coffee. What Ailenski, if hot coffee burn your hand, what will you do? Nothing. I will cry. What you are asking? Mga ito mapandisal ma? Peanut the Vlogger, hello host. Magandang araw sa inyo. Peanut butter lalab. Peanut the Vlogger, peanut butter. Peanut the Vlogger, peanut butter. Kala ko peanut butter. Sapsap. Good morning host. Sapsap lalab, big love shout out. Si Sapsap, si peanut butter. Peanut the Vlogger pala. Sapsap lalab, big love shout out, Sapsap. Magandang araw sa inyo. Ayan. Magandang araw din sa iyo, lalab, Sapsap, and Peanut the Vlogger. Pagtingin ko kanina, peanut butter eh. Magandang ako sa pandesal. They left. Good. Ayan, si Sapsap, nagbaba ng bahay, Sapsap. Sino ba ito si Sapsap? Kakuluko. This first time you drop your links, ha? Ah, si GSP pala to, lalab. GSP, may love shout out si Sapsap. Sapsap, connect to ano, ayan o. Takuluko. Connect to ano, Sapsap. Takuluko. Why you have only one video, Takuluko? You should to upload new video, no? This is already how many months? 2 weeks ago. You're crazy. Why you throw all the... What the heck? Why you destroy the store? And you took video like this? Oh my God, Takuluko. You are happy what you did? Sel, hola there from Oscar Hermoselo. Nakita mo yung video ni ni Takuluko? That's not me. I found video online. Really? Why you upload like that? Why not upload your own upload? Why you take from other video is not allowed? Because it's funny. But it's only one video, no? You should upload new one, not like this. Pretty Shishi, ayan. Madam Silsari, Sapsap. Si JSP yan, si Sapsap. Takuluko, you connect to, Madam Silsari, and, Sapsap also? And also connect to, Sir Oscar. Hindi naman to main channel ni Sir Oscar, eh. Yan natin. 26. Ninja mo lang yan, sir. Ninja. Sapsap si yan, JSP. Upcoming premiere po, paiwan ng bakas with comment. Sino ba to si Sir Oscar? Ayan. Thank you mga idol, on the way po sa inyo. Ayan. Peanut the Vlogger. Tambayan Channel. Ang laki ng bahay ni Tambayan. Ay, ang daming account ni Ed Scarty. Lalab, yaad in foreign, upcoming premiere. Sige lalab, tamsakan natin yung upcoming premiere mo lalab. How are you, yaad? Long time. How are you, my friend yaad? Sel, buenos dias. Ayan, from Oscar Hermosilo. You're eating bread. Donut. Dan tamsak, my friend. Yaad. Como esta Sel? Ayan. Sel on the way. Ayan. From Yaad. I'm good. Islandsky, I heard Philippines girl are very nasty girl. Is that true? No, it's not true. Don't believe with the Marites. Don't believe the Marites. You are Filipino taco loco. You're scamming me. That one is not true. Don't believe with Marites from your neighborhood. Thank you so much from Yaad. I am bleeding right now, Sir Oscar. Monthly bleeding. Monthly bleeding. But me, I'm already finished bleeding, madam. Monthly bleeding. Suhada. Sama yun si Peanut Butter. Peanut the Vlogger. Dati man tayong dikit. Yeah, okay, I will return to you from Celsari TV. Opo, nagdi-return yan lalab. Si Madam Celsari. Ano ba yun? Okay, take care, Cel. Rest if you need. Why it is scam? Because you are pretending that you are from Mexico, but you are not from Mexico. Why you know that kind of chismis, ha? Yes, sir. Thanks. Later, I will live the channel of Nel. Connect lalabs. Yad lalab, connect to Silsari. Later on, she will be on live. On her, channel. Takuluko also, connect to Silsari lalab. Boss patamsak at mag-iwan ng bakas, boss. Okay, Sel, I'll be there. How is Mayumi? Is she okay, Sel? Ayan. Tako on the way from Yad in foreign. Tako on the way si Yad lalab. Tako. Si Takong Buang. Oscar, return back. Ayan. From Yad in foreign. Ayan, Sir Oscar. Dan daw po, pero hindi minyan ni husband me. Hindi yan mini Sir Oscar. Yaad, okay. Ano ba yun? Hehe. Malaki na ata yung bahay ni Sir Oscar. Tat tat. Tat tat. Okay, add 1 minute. Aidenski, me and Ara already did it 6 times. No. How come? Don't say that. Ano, Takuloko, that's private. Ano, message. If Madam Ara here, she will kill you. I know, Madam Ara is your girlfriend. Yaad, ayan, nagbaba ng bahay si Yaad. It was good. Yeah, but this kind of words you should not put here on my live. Not good. Not yet, sir. I told her to take mids. Ayan. Sila, si Takuloko, buang dik. If I have ganir, maybe I shoot you. Very good, Sel. She need to rest. Ayan, 6 million and 27 thumbs up. Thank you po. Why shoot me? Because you are talking like this. If Ma'am Arahil, problem. She said, I can tell you. No, how come? I will ask later. Ayan, tingnan mo, nag-iikot-ikot tuloy tayo. Assalamualaikum, Samira Lalab, Chuchay Backyard Garden. Walaikum salam, Lalab Samira. How are you, my friend? Short video, ayan. Nagbaba ng bahay si Samira, mga lalabs. Better Takuloko, ano. Watch my short video. Thank you po, mga idol. On the way sa inyo. Ayan. From Peanut the Vlogger. Peanut the Vlogger. Hello, beautiful people. Trend Orama, lalabs. Migalab, shout out lalab. Trend Orama, kumusta ka na lalabs? Trend Orama. Takuluko, ayan, like, thank you lalab. Takuluko nagbaba ng bahay. Takuluko-luko. Takuluko connect to everyone. Ayan, 20 lalabs. Japanese friend, ayan. Takuluko nagbaba ng bahay. Connect to Japanese, ano, Takuluko. Super shout out to Trend Orama lalab. Thank you so much. Ayan, may live shout out to you. Yes, Sir Oscar, I told her to rest also, but she's still working. Ayan. Selsari TV. My poor mommy work too much sell. Ayan. I need 7 thumbs up. Ayan. I will thumbs up, yaad. Thumbs up. Oh. Yaad, thumbs up lalabs. Alinsky, what are you TikTok? I don't have TikTok. I don't have TikTok because I don't know how to dance. I don't have account of my TikTok. I don't have. Just follow my page. You will see me there. Sometime I'm on live there. Takuluko. I will give my page name, ha? Same my name on my YouTube. Follow me there, Sometime I'm live on my page. Islandsky, are you killer? No. How come? If I'm killer, why I'm still here? Follow me, Takuluko. My page. Search my name on Facebook. Islandsky Vlog. Say my name on my YouTube channel. Yaad in foreign. Ayan, nagbaba ng buy, yaad. Yaad po, nagbaba ng buy. Lablabin natin mga 21 thumbs up. Ayan, 8 million. Migalab siya na 21 thumbs up. Takuloko short video from Samira. Summer Garden 2023 overview. What are some new plans? Find out. Ayan. Samira, my friend, you have ads. You have ads, Yaad. Samira Chuchay. Islandsky is someone smack chocolate cake in your face. What would you do? Nothing. I will eat the chocolates. I think you are still small baby. Takuluko, you are playing to me? I'll kill you. $5 million Miguelan shout out. Introducing today's shrimp tank. Ayan, from Japanese. Ayan, nagbaba ng kanyang bio. Sis, done your short video. And thank you so much, lalabs. Still watching Samira, lalabs. Your short video. Oh. You have a lot of plants in your garden. Wow, nice. Islandsky, I am 25, sir. You are 25 years old. You're still young, ano, takuluko. That's why your mind is lukuluko. Okay? Ilensky, get off YouTube already. Go to sleep already. Okay, better to go to sleep. Ano, takuluko. That's why. You are talking too much because you feel sleepy. Better to sleep. Ilensky, are you boy or girl? I'm a boy. I'm bakla. Okay? Now you know the truth. I'm a gay. I'm not a girl. I'm a gay. Thank you po mga idol on the way sa inyo. Ayan, from Peanut the Vlogger. 5 million, thank you so much. I'm a gay, ano, takuluko. Malapit na ba? Ayan, 5 million and 21 thumbs up. Thank you so much, everyone. Ayan, 6 million. Mega love shout out. 6 million. Thank you so much sa 6 million in the house. Mga lalabs, ayan, magpapaalam na ako mga lalabs kasi yung baby ko nagka-cry na. Ay, ano, takuloko, follow my page, lalab, if you want to see me sometime. If you didn't see me live on my YouTube channel, I'm live on my page. I already give you my name. Same my name on my YouTube channel, ha? Ilensky Vlog. Search my name on Facebook. Ilensky, if someone drop host noodles on your head, what would you do? I will eat, no problem. I love noodles. Takuluko, follow my page, my friend. Ilensky Vlog, same my name on my YouTube channel. So that if you will not see me live on my YouTube, maybe I'm live on my page. Okay? Why you are don't like? You are not listening to me, takuloko. Chuada. Sometime, no? Takuloko, connect to you this one, oh. One banana for you. You should to upload new video, ano, takuloko, because your video is only one. You should to add this one. Fantastic and still guwapo mix. Ayan, Tren Orama. Lalab, Tren Orama, lalab ako yung mag-out na lalabs. DTS, my friend lalabs, how are you? How many bananas for 5 video? It's up to you. Because you know, when you come to the live, you are always talking. Better to connect than talk. Okay? It's okay to talk, but you should to, connect. You should to cooperate, no? You are always talking until my live finish. You are not connecting to everybody. How you will increase your, your subscriber? While you are talking, you should to connect, no? So that soon your, subscriber will be grow, will be more. Okay? No, I will not mad to you. How come? I'm not mad. Okay? But now I will go. I will end my live now. DTS, my friend Lalab. Thank you. Thank you, Lalab DTS. Love you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow, Takuluku. Thank you for talking to me until end my live. And everyone, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Takuluku. Okay, I will put again my name, ha. Follow my page. Facebook page. I have Facebook page. If I'm not live here in my YouTube channel, I am live on my page. Facebook page. You follow me there, Lalab, so that you will see me there live. Not only here, okay? Facebook page, Ailenski Vlog. Same my name on my YouTube channel. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Everyone here. God bless po. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. Takuluku, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. DTS, my friend. Take care. Selsari, madam. Bye-bye. Ailenski Vlog, how do you do, beautiful woman? My friend, see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Ayan. Bye-bye because you come late. Bye-bye everyone. Snow on pretending. Jeong Song, Jeon Jong Son. Bye-bye. See you. Easy. Snow on pretending. Snow on beginning.